Hey astronauts, welcome to the Digital Galaxy Podcast. I'm your pilot Justin. Let's talk about how the app stores work on Google and Apple devices. Developers create an app, which could be a game, software, or whatever, and Apple or Google will charge the developers roughly 30% of all in-app purchases to house the app in the store and to easily install it on your phone or device. So every time you make a purchase for a game upgrade or unlock a paid portion of an app, 30% goes to whatever app you're using. App Store, sorry. So essentially they tried to bypass the charge by offering discounts in the app that would go directly to Epic, not Apple. Fortnite is a free-to-play game. However, you can pay for upgrades, new characters, weapons, etc., and Epic would charge $7.99, a discounted price if they chose to pay directly to Epic, or they had a choice to pay $9.99 through the Apple App Store. According to CNET, quote, Fortnite generated $4.2 billion between 2018 and 2019 alone. So, according to an article by Axios, Apple's defense is, quote, running the App Store costs money. It has the right to establish ground rules for its platform, and those rules keep users safe from malware, porn, and spam. End quote. Which makes sense for them. If it's their app store, they set the rules and the prices for what's seen on their store. Epicgames is suing both companies, claiming that both app stores are a monopoly and doesn't allow a third-party app store on their devices. According to CNET, here is the language from the filing from Epicgames. Quote, to reach iOS users, Apple forces developers to agree to Apple's unlawful terms contained in its developer agreement and to comply with Apple's App Store review guidelines, including the requirement iOS developers distribute their apps through the App Store. This contractual provisions unlawfully foreclose the iOS app distribution market to competitors and maintain Apple's monopoly. End quote. Epic definitely has an uphill battle ahead of them, but users of the game are getting creative in creating a new market for used devices that have the game already installed on it. According to an article on GamesRadar, quote, people are willing to pay thousands of dollars for an iPhone with Fortnite installed, or at least that's what some eBay sellers are hoping, end quote. That about does it for this episode, so don't forget to follow our channels on Twitter, YouTube, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and iTunes. You can find this episode in written form on our website, digitalgalaxypodcast.com. This episode was created by Forest Social, a social media app where you are in charge of your data and community. Check it out at forestsocial.com. Thanks for coming along on our journey, and we'll see you guys in the next one.